Cable crunches. All right, classic, excellent exercise to target the upper, mid, and obliques. A little bit of the lower, but mainly it's the midsection of the core here. All right, so let me show you how to get set up and then how to perform this. So to get set up, you're just gonna need one cable tower. That's all you'll need. Take it, you don't have to take it to the very top, but you definitely need it pretty high so you can stretch. But to be safe, you can take it to the very top and you know you're good. The attachment, attach a close grip handle, just like this. All right, that's what I would use. You can use a rope, but this is a little bit easier to use in my opinion. All right, so all you're gonna do is grab it just like this. Now, you're on the floor, so you're gonna wanna mat for your knees. But the most important part of this is letting your core do the work. Don't let your arms pull and do the work. That's the biggest mistake I see when I teach this to people is they tend to pull with their arms and they don't let their core do the pulling. All right, so remember, we're trying to isolate and target your core, not your arms. That's for another day. All right, so this is our grip here. And what you're gonna do is I literally just take the insides of my wrists and I just clamp it to my head. All right, so as I come down, I'm making a C shape as I come down, and my wrists are clamped to my head. But it's when I start to come up here, that's when I kind of release my forearms from my head and I allow that stretch from the weight, okay? And I'll show you what I mean. Okay. So first you're going to want to back up just I'd say about 2 to 3 feet from your tower. Okay? Get your hand set right here. So I'm not pulling. You're going to do that C shape, come down forward, swoop into the knees, contract right there. All right, that's our cable crunch. But as you can see, it would be very easy for you to use your arms. Don't be discouraged if you don't feel like you're getting this the first few times you try it. It took me, I'd say, in all honesty, a good 2 or 3 months to like fully understand this and to fully grasp it. So stay at it, keep with it. Good things take time.